Kia ora, everyone. I'm Greg Ballard. I'm the CEO of AoFrio.
And I'm Genevieve Clark, Vice President of Product.
We're really pleased to be here today to share with you a little bit about AoFrio. AoFrio, we talk about from a purpose perspective, is leading the charge to a more sustainable and efficient food and beverage industry. Coke, Pepsi and Heineken are our customers, big customers globally. And we enable them to manage their fleets of commercial refrigerators. They have millions of commercial refrigerators around the world. And our cold drink equipment fleet management solution helps them manage those refrigerators. I'll hand over to Genevieve, who will provide us a little bit more detail about how the solution works and the benefits our customers get from that solution.
So our solution has a number of modules across asset management, service and maintenance, commercial performance, and energy and sustainability. And it's across these modules that we focus on delivering value to our customers. So our unique combination of high efficiency hardware and innovative software helps our customers to save over up to 7.5 million tonnes of CO2 emissions. And this is really important because approximately 30% of our customers' carbon footprint actually comes from their refrigeration fleet. Furthermore, some of our customers actually lose up to 15% of their refrigeration fleet each year. And through our asset tracking solution, we actually have enabled one customer to reduce this to as low as 1% per year. And finally, our food safety solution supports safety and compliance in the food space. And this enables automation of monitoring for compliance purposes, as well as allowing staff on the ground to act quickly to preserve products and avoid food safety concerns. Do you want to give us a little bit about AoFrio?
Yeah, so AoFrio has 130 people spread across 13 different countries. We see this as a key differentiator for us in the marketplace, having people close to the customer who are able to support our customers, implement and adopt our technology. One of the other things that we would say is a key success factor for us is, as Genevieve talked about, we have this end-to-end solution. So we provide hardware, the cloud connectivity, software solution and data as a service. And this has really enabled our customers to have one point of call for their whole solution. Our main business today, or the biggest part of our business, is in Latin America, which is about 70% of our revenues. That's quite a unique thing about AoFrio. And that's come apart because we have a really strong presence in that region, but we also have really strong product market fit. From an aspiration perspective, today we have about 2.7 million refrigerators connected to our cloud, but we really think there's an opportunity to grow that to about 10 million devices. So that's our aspirational goal, if you like. And Genevieve's going to just talk a little bit about what we've done this year to advance that aspiration.
So this year we had several new product launches and solution bundles, which includes our award-winning AoFrio Inside complete refrigeration hardware and software bundle. And this contributes up to 64% of energy savings per cooler, as well as providing real-time fleet-wide energy usage and savings insights. We also launched our ECR2 26-watt motor, which is a high efficiency and high power addition to our motors range. And finally, our AoFrio Gateway, which is the next iteration of our cellular gateway, which offers precise asset tracking, real-time alerts, and extended battery life, also enabling remote management of coolers as well.
So just continuing on a little bit more about AoFrio, obviously we feel we've had a pretty successful year this year. We've had the three product launches that Genevieve talked about, but we really think we're starting to get some momentum around our innovation and product development pipeline. And that bringing differentiated solutions to market, we see as key for us. We've been really pleased. We reported that we had 32% growth for quarter three, and that's really on the back of a really strong first half. This led us to tighten our guidance for the year. So we've now narrowed the range at the top end of the guidance that we had previously communicated. And so we have guided that we'll deliver revenue of between $75 and $80 million for this year, which is about 16% growth over last year at the midpoint of the range. And we have continued to maintain our guidance at around EBITDA. So what this signals is that, we're starting to feel really confident that our strategy around growth is starting to have an impact. And so we're really pleased about that. And Genevieve's going to take some time just to talk through our growth strategy and how that's will change the way and look and feel of AoFrio.
Yeah, so we've put a lot of work into our strategy development process this year, and we have two key strategies that we focus on. One is called Protect and Grow, which is focused on our core CDE, cold drink equipment and motors business. And the other one is our Diversify strategy. So that's looking at adjacent market segments. So in our Protect and Grow space, we're looking to grow 20% year on year. And this, the way that we look to achieve this is by entering new geographies, continuing to take market share in the geographies where we have market presence, and also bringing new, more advanced products and solutions to market for all of those customers. And so because we've had high penetration in Latin America, it was a natural next step for us this year to expand our business into the US. And one of the needs that we've discovered for that market is a drive towards cellular connectivity or always on. And so that was why we've launched our Gateway product this year, which delivers that cellular offering as well as additional benefits around remote fleet management, improved battery life, improved asset tracking capability.
We say enter the US market, but it doesn't just happen overnight. And, there's been quite a lot of work from our teams to get us organized and ready to do that. So, and we have got our first group of customers in the US with that solution. So, first lot of launched the product, first lot of revenue this year. So we're really quite positive about the opportunity. We've still got more work to do there in terms of, additional products and features and so on. But their initial launch was really quite successful, wasn't it?
Yeah, and this shows a general trend towards always-on cellular connectivity in other markets. And we're certainly expecting to see that continue through into next year. And we'll continue our focus on the US as well as moving into additional geographies such as Europe and Asia. When it comes to our Diversify strategy, so this is really about building our organization resilience. And we intend to do that by increasing our recurring revenue streams and bringing products to market that will deliver higher margins in these new segments. Our first focus area for our Diversify strategy has been in the food retail segment. And this is customers in this segment are the likes of supermarkets, convenience stores, micro markets, quick service restaurants. And the need that they have is they have these, dispersed retail sites. They want to know what's going on at these sites. They need to ensure that the food and the drinks that they serve at these sites are safe and, meet food safety compliance standards. And so we've brought a solution to market, our food safety solution, which ensures that we can enable our customers to remain compliant and also to act quickly to preserve their food and beverage products at the point of sale as needed. And that ensures that we're helping them avoid any wastage as well as food safety issues, also making their staff a lot more efficient so they're not having to record temperatures manually, for example.
And at the moment, we've been working with 3 primary customers to test our solution, validate commercial models, and so on. And that's been going really well for us. Obviously, we're not over the line there yet. We haven't got our first sale, but we're feeling pretty optimistic that this is going in the right direction. And we look forward to keeping people informed about how that's going as we go forward.
Yeah, and certainly for next year, we see ourselves continuing to enhance the food safety offering, but also looking at how we can then expand that solution across the entire site. So there's a number of other, types of sensors and data that we could be gathering to further lift the value of our solution for our customers in this segment.
From a growth strategy perspective, we feel we've got a strong strategy for our core business, the cold drink equipment business, which is built on those two key things that Genevieve spoke about, which was, expanding into new geographies. And, we don't go into each of them straight away. We have to, the geography has to be at the right level of maturity for us to be able to be successful in it. So we monitor them, we talk to customers, and then at the right stage, you can enter. But you also have to have the right solution, and we're learning that we have to continue to evolve our technology to meet the different requirements of the different regions. And the second part of that is, again, as Genevieve talked about, was providing those high-value software and workflow solutions that enable our customers to get increased value from the technology that they're investing in. And then obviously the diversify strategy has been key, as Genevieve also said, around ensuring that we're continuing to look at opportunities to leverage the organisation capability, but provide growth in a sustainable way. But underpinning all of these things is, some work that we're doing to ensure that the organisation is capable to support this growth. So investing in a globally diverse group of employees, making sure that we're learning how to innovate globally and quickly, but also focus on ensuring that our systems and our processes are helping us build a sustainable organisation. Because as we provide sustainability solutions for our customers, as an organisation, we see that as a really key aspect of our values and important to us. So we're investing to grow, but we're also investing in the foundations to ensure that we're building a robust, capable organisation going forward. Our current market share in the cold drink equipment market overall is about 25% share. Obviously, we have really significant share in the Latin American market, as I spoke about, and not so much share in US, Europe, and Asia. So our growth strategy is, trying to address that. But currently, we have about 25% share overall, which is quite high. In terms of the Diversify market, it's a $17 billion market. So like I said, at least 20 times the size of our cold drink equipment market. So, it'd be nice to think you could get 25% share in that, but, we don't really have a firm view of that. We're just really starting out. We do know it's really large, and we're certainly, our customers that we're working with at the moment, we seem like we've got a solution that's valuable. So I think we'll have to update you at the next one on what we think the market share will be in Diversify.
So we really focus at AoFrio on a few different things. One of them is around our product-led approach. So this means that we ensure that our product and our engineering teams work really closely with our field teams as well as our customers to ensure we really understand their problems, the ways that they work, and then bring that back into the way that we design and deliver our solutions so we can ensure it's the best fit for our customers, solving their problems in the best possible way. Another element of that is that customer intimacy, which I think Greg alluded to earlier, having people on the ground available to work alongside our customers to help them adapt their business processes to get the best value from our solutions is incredibly important. And, we see that as a really strong differentiator for us. Overall, our product positioning, our approach is that we want to deliver highly differentiated solutions to our customers. We see that as being just the most important thing, and we keep that front and center with everything we do.
Look, I'm really excited about the work that we're doing in the Diversify part. But what's really underpinning that is the acceleration or the momentum that we're starting to build in from a product innovation perspective. And so it's super exciting to see that we've got market opportunities, both in our existing market but adjacent, and that our products are product and innovation is really starting to hit the mark. So that's really quite exciting for us.
I think you kind of took the words out of my mouth there. I work really closely, obviously, with the product and the engineering team, and we've just got a lot of momentum and excitement at the moment, both around our existing market and how we, envisage ourselves delivering new value to our existing customer base, but as well as taking all of that learning and that knowledge that we have from, years working in the cold drink space and, transferring that into the food retail and other diversify segments as well. We just see a lot of opportunity, and we also see ourselves being very well positioned to take advantage of that. So, it is really exciting.